Hip and knee replacements are among the most common surgeries performed in the United States. You can feel confident in your choice of a department that is regularly recognized for being one of the best orthopedic programs in the country. Our surgeons are innovative national leaders in joint reconstruction, and MUSC is consistently recognized by the Joint Commission as an advanced center for total hip and knee replacement. You will be supported by the care of a complete multidisciplinary team dedicated to the needs of joint replacement patients. You will be evaluated by the care team and will learn what to expect before, during, and after surgery. They will craft the most efficient, safe, and effective surgical plan so you can return quickly to your active lifestyle and daily routines. This patient-specific care prior to surgery is just one example of how we ensure the best possible outcomes for our patients. After surgery, you'll start the recovery journey in the care of our strong joint replacement inpatient unit with specially trained and certified nurses on the recovery floor and a dedicated nurse navigator and care coordinator to support you. You will be guided every step of the way. The orthopedics team at MUSC offers the cutting-edge technology and care that can only be found at an academic medical center. MUSC offers the best choice for evaluation and treatment of your joint replacement needs. To learn more about joint replacement at MUSC, visit muschealth.org/ortho.